In this video, you'll learn how to transfer XRP from OKX to Tangem Wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully move your cryptocurrency to your secure wallet. Begin by opening the Tangem Wallet app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the option labeled Receive and tap on it. This will prompt you to select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Choose XRP from the available options. After selecting XRP, you will see your XRP deposit information. Now, you need to copy your XRP address. This address is unique to your Tangem wallet and is essential for the transfer. Tap on the address to copy it to your clipboard. Next, you must also copy the destination tag or memo, which is crucial for XRP transactions. Without this tag, your funds may not arrive correctly, so ensure you copy it accurately. Next, open the OKX app on your device. Once you in the app, navigate to the assets section and tap on withdraw. From the list of cryptocurrencies, select XRP. This will take you to the withdrawal screen where you can initiate the transfer. On the withdrawal screen, paste the Tangem XRP address you copied earlier into the designated field. It is important to ensure that the address is correct, as any mistakes can result in a loss of funds. After pasting the address, enter the destination tag or memo exactly as you copied it. This step is critical for the successful transfer of XRP. Now enter the amount of XRP you wish to send. Double check the amount to ensure it aligns with your intentions. Once you've verified all the details, confirm the withdrawal. You will then be prompted to enter your password to authorize the transaction. After entering your password, you will receive a confirmation that the withdrawal is complete. XRP transfers typically take just a few minutes to process. During this time, you may want to check the status of your transaction within the OKX app. After a few moments, open your Tangem wallet to check your XRP balance. You should see the transferred amount reflected in your wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.